ఏపీ పీజీ సెట్ కంప్యూటర్ బేసిక్ టెస్ట్ సిబిటిని ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ నిర్వహిస్తోంది. ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో కూడా పీజీ కామన్ ఎంట్రన్స్ టెస్ట్ను నిర్వహిస్తున్నారు. ఇది కంప్యూటర్ బేస్డ్లో ఉంటుంది. కెమిస్ట్రీ సిలబస్ ఈరోజు పీజీ కెమిస్ట్రీ సిలబస్ను మనము క్లియర్గా తెలుసుకుందాం. ఓకేనా ఫ్రెండ్స్? డిగ్రీలో ఎంపీసీ బీజెడ్సీ చేసిన వాళ్ళు పీజీలో కెమిస్ట్రీకి ఎలిజిబుల్ అవుతారు. అంటే డిగ్రీలో కంపల్సరీగా వన్ ఆఫ్ ది సబ్జెక్ట్ కెమిస్ట్రీ కంపల్సరీగా అయి ఉండాలి. అయిన వాళ్ళే ఈ పీజీలో కెమిస్ట్రీకి ఎలిజిబుల్ అవుతారు. పీజీ కెమిస్ట్రీ ఈరోజు సిలబస్ని మనం క్లియర్గా తెలుసుకుందాం. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ పీజీ సెట్ 2021 ఇనార్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ తెలుసుకుందాం. ఫస్ట్ టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి ఎస్ బ్లాక్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ జనరల్ క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ ఆఫ్ గ్రూప్ 1-2 ఎలిమెంట్స్, గ్రూప్ 1 and 2 ఎలిమెంట్స్ గురించి. నెక్స్ట్ డయాగోనల్ రిలేషన్షిప్ బిట్వీన్ లిథియం అండ్ మెగ్నీషియం, బేరియం అండ్ అల్యూమినియం, Li and Mg, Be and Al. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఎస్ బ్లాక్ మూలకాలు, ఎస్ బ్లాక్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ గురించి ఈ టాపిక్ మొత్తం దాని గురించే ఉంటుందండి. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ వన్ పీ బ్లాక్ ఎలిమెంట్స్లో ఏమేమి సబ్ టాపిక్స్ ఉన్నాయో చూద్దాం ఒకసారి. ఓకేనా ఫ్రెండ్? జనరల్ క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ గ్రూప్స్ 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. గ్రూప్ 13లో సింథసిస్ అండ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ డైబోరేన్ అండ్ హయ్యర్ బోరేన్ B4H10 and B5H9, boron, nitrogen compounds B3N3H6 and Bn. 13th group మూలకాలు ఇవి. నెక్స్ట్ 14th group elements preparation and application of silanes and silicones, graphitic compounds. Next 15th group elements preparation and reaction of hydrazine and hydroxylamine and phosphogenes. Next group 16th classification of oxides based on first topic వచ్చేసి దీంట్లో chemical behavior and second one is oxygen content. Next group 17th interhalogen compounds and pseudohalogens, interhalogen compounds and pseudohalogens. This is the P black elements. Next third topic వచ్చేసి ఆర్గానోమెటాలిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీ. దీంట్లో డెఫినేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయండి. ఈ డెఫినేషన్స్ కంపల్సరీగా అడుగుతాడు. డెఫినేషన్స్ నుంచి కంపల్సరీగా క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తుంది. ఈ గ్రూప్లో ఉన్నటువంటి గ్రూప్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఎన్నైతే ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయో వాటి గురించి ఎఫ్ బ్లాక్, డి బ్లాక్, పీ బ్లాక్, ఈ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా కంపల్సరీగా మనం అన్నీ నోటెడ్ చేసి పెట్టుకోవాల్సి ఉంటుంది. అలా అయితేనే మనం ఈజీగా అన్ని ఆన్సర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయగలుగుతాం. థర్డ్ టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి ఆర్గానోమెటాలిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీ definitions and classification of organometallic and compounds. Next nomenclature, preparation, properties and applications of alkyls of 1, 2 and 13th group elements, alkyls of 1, 2, 13 groups elements. Next fourth topic వచ్చేసి కెమిస్ట్రీ ఆఫ్ డి బ్లాక్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ గురించి. దాంట్లో సబ్ టాపిక్స్ ఇచ్చాడని క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఆఫ్ డి బ్లాక్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ విత్ స్పెషల్ రిఫరెన్స్ టు ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ వేరియబుల్ వ్యాలెన్స్, మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ప్రాపర్టీస్, catalytic properties and ability to form complexes, stability of various oxidation states and EMF comparatives, treatments of second and third transition series with their 3D analogs. Next study of titanium and chromium and copper traits in respect of electronic configuration and reactivity of different oxidation states. Next fifth topic వచ్చేసి chemistry of F black elements. Fifth topic F black elements, chemistry of lanthanides, electronic structures, Next, oxidation states, lanthanide contraction, consequence of lanthanide contractions. Next, magnetic properties, spectral properties and separation of lanthanides by ion exchange and solvent extraction methods. Next, chemistry of actinides, electronic configuration, oxidation states, actinide contraction, position of actinides in the periodic table. Next, comparison with lanthanides in terms of magnetic properties, spectral properties and complex formations. Next, theories of bonding in metals. Metals law, theories of bonding in metals. Valence bond theory, explanation of metallic properties and its limitations. Free electronic theory, thermal and electrical conductivity of metals. Next, limitations, bond theory, formation of bonds, explanation of conductors. Next, semiconductors and insulators, theories of bonding in metals. Next, seventh topic vachesi metal carbonyls and related compounds. Metal carbonyl and related components. Dilo EAN rule, classification of metal carbonyls, structures and shapes of metal carbonyl of V, Cr, Mn, Fe, cobalt, iron and cobalt and nickel. Metal nitrosyls and metallocenes, only ferrocenes. Next, eighth topic vachesi coordination of chemistry. Deenlo IUPAC names, nomenclature and bonding theories, reviews of Warner's theory and Sidgwick concept of coordinations, valence bond theory, geometric of coordination numbers, 4 tetrahedral and square planar and 6 octahedral and its limitations, crystal field theory. Next, splitting of d orbitals in octahedral, tetrahedral and square planar complexes, low spin and high spin complexes, factors affecting. Next, crystal field splitting energy, merits and demerits of crystal field theory. Next, isomerism in coordination compounds, structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. Next, stereochemistry of complex with 4 and 6 coordination numbers. Next, ninth one, spectral and magnetic properties of metal complexes. Electronic absorption spectrum of titanium Ti-H2O6 3+ ion, type of magnetic behavior, spin only formula, calculation of magnetic moments, experimental determination of magnetic susceptibility, Gauss method. Next, 10th one, reactivity of metal complex. 11th one, stability of metal complexes. 12th one, hard soft acid bases, HSAB. Next, 13th one is bioorganic chemistry, essential elements, biological significations of sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc and chloride, Cl-, metalomorphism, hemoglobin, structure and functions, chlorophyll 2, structure and role in photosynthesis. Next topic vachesi organic chemistry nunchi first topic, structural theory in organic chemistry. దీంట్లో టోటల్గా వచ్చేసి 5 మెయిన్ టాపిక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 8 topics and 9th one. Total 11 main topics ఉన్నాయి. దీంట్లో సబ్ టాపిక్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయండి. ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీలో ఫస్ట్ టాపిక్స్ స్ట్రక్చరల్ థియరీ ఇన్ ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీ. దీనిలో టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ బాండ్, ఫ్యూజన్స్ అండ్ ఆర్గానిక్ రీజన్స్, ఎలక్ట్రోఫిలిక్, న్యూక్లియోఫిలిక్ and free radicals reagents including neutral molecules like H2O, NH3, AlCl3, bond polarization factors influence in the polarization of covalent bonds. Next, electronegativity, inductive effective, application of inductive effective. దీంట్లో వచ్చేసి ఇంకో సబ్ టాపిక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. basicity of amines. Next, acidity of carboxylic acids. Next, stability of carbonium ion. Next, resonance of mesomeric effect. Next, application to acidity phenol and acidity of carboxylic acid hyperconjugation and application to stability of carbonium ion, free radicals and alkanes, carbonions, carbones and nitrates. Types of organic reactions: addition, electrophilic, nucleophilic and free radicals. Substitution. Next, electrophilic, nucleophilic and free radicals. Elimination. Next, elimination. Examples: mechanism not required. Mechanisms the important thing. Next topic వచ్చేసి cyclic hydrocarbons. దీంట్లో వచ్చేసి ఆల్కేన్స్, IUPAC నేమ్ కల్చర్ ఆఫ్ హైడ్రోకార్బన్స్. నెక్స్ట్, మెథడ్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రిపరేషన్, hydrogenation of alkanes and alkanes. Next, Wurtz reactions, Kolbel's electrolysis, Corey-House reaction, chemical reactivity, inert nature, free radical substitution mechanisms, halogenation, example of reactivity, selectivity and orientations. Next, alkenes, preparation of alkenes by dehydrogenation of alcohols, by dehydrogenation of alkalides, by dehalogenation of 1,2 dehalides. Brief mechanism. Next, Sedge's rules, properties, addition of hydrogen. Next, heat of hydrogenation and stability of alkanes, addition of halogen and its mechanisms. Next, third topic. These are all subtopics in second unit. Alkanes, alkynes, alkenes, chemical reactivity, electrophilic, addition of H2, H2O, oxidation with KMnO4, OSO4, reduction and polymerization, reaction of acetylene. Next, third one, polycyclic hydrocarbons, cycloalkanes. Nomenclature, preparation by Friend's method. Next, fourth topic వచ్చేసి benzene and its reactivities. Concepts of resonance. Next, resonance energy, heat hydrolyzation, heat of combustion of benzene. Next, mention of CC bond length and orbital picture of benzene. Concept of aromaticity. Next, aromaticity definition. Next, Huckel's rule, application to benzoate. Next, benzene, naphthalene and non-benzenoid compounds, cyclopropensications. Next, anion and tropylium cation, reactions of general mechanisms of electrophilic substitution. Next, mechanism of nitration. Next, Friedel-Crafts, alkylation and alkalization. Next, fifth topic వచ్చేసి polynuclear hydrogen. దీంట్లో సబ్ టాపిక్స్ వచ్చేసి చూడండి ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇవన్నీ చదివితే మీకు వీడియో చాలా లెంత్గా అవుతుంది. మీ ఐడియా కోసం నేను చూపిస్తున్నాను. రియాక్టివిటీ టువర్డ్స్ electrophilic substitution. Next, nitration and sulfonation as examples. Polynuclear hydrocarbons. Next, halogen compounds. Next, halogen compounds వచ్చేసి nomenclature and classification of alkyl into primary, secondary, tertiary. Aryl, alkyl, allyl, vinyl, benzyl halides. Next, chemical reactivity, formation of RMGX. Next, nucleophilic aliphatic substitution reaction, classification into SN1, SN2, energy profile diagram of SN1, SN2 reactions. Next, stereochemistry of SN2 Walden inversion. SN1, explanation of both by taking the examples of optically active alkali halide. Next, ease of hydrolysis comparison of alkyl, benzyl, alkyl, vinyl and aryl halides. Next, 7th topic వచ్చి hydroxy compounds. 7th topic వచ్చేసి hydroxy compounds. First one వచ్చేసి from diazonium salt. Second one వచ్చేసి from aryl sulfonates. Next, from cumin physical properties, hydrogen bondings, effects of hydrogen bonding on boiling point and solubility in water, chemical properties. దీంట్లో సబ్ టాపిక్ ఏ వచ్చేసి acidic nature of phenols, acidic nature of phenols, formation of alkoxides, phenoxides and their reactions with RX. C. Next, replacement of OH by X using PCl5, PCl3, PBr3, SOCl2 and with HXG, zinc chloride, ZnCl2. Next, esterification by acids, mechanisms also. Next, dehydration of alcohols, oxidation of alcohols by chromium O3, CrO3, KMnO4. Next, G. Special reactions of phenols, bromination, Kolb-Schmidt reactions. Next, Raman and Taman reactions, Fries rearrangements, azo-couplings, identification of alcohols by oxidation with KMnO4. Next, steric ammonium nitrate. Next, Lucas reagent and phenol by reaction with FeCl3. Next, polyhydroxyl compounds, pinacol and pinacoline rearrangements. 8th one, carbonyl compounds. These are all carbonyl compounds. Okay now friends, NaHSO3, HCN, RMGX, NH2OH, PH, NH2, 2,4-DNPH and alcohols formation of homoacetical and acetamatical. Ninth topic, carboxylic acids and derivatives. Next, 10th topic వచ్చేసి active methylene compounds, active methylene compounds. 11th one, nitrogen compounds. Nitrogen compounds lo subtopics, hydrocarbons. These are all subtopics. Next, 12th one, heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds, introduction and definitions. Simple 5-membered ring compounds with one heteroatom, EX furan. Next, 14th topic వచ్చేసి carbohydrates, monosaturates. All discussions to be confined to plus glucose as an example of aldehexoses. This is the 14th topic and these are all subtopics in carbohydrates. Next, 15th topic, amino acids and proteins. Amino acids and proteins. This introduction and definition. Amino acids, classification of amino acids to alpha, beta, gamma amino acids, natural and essential amino acids, and definitions and examples also given here. Classifications of alpha amino acids into acidic and basic and neutrophil amino acids and examples with examples, methods of synthesis, general methods of synthesis of alpha amino acids. Next, specific examples: glycine, alanine and valine and leucine. By following methods from halogenated carboxyl acids and malonic ester synthesis and streaks synthesis, physical properties, optical activity of naturally occurring amino acids and L configurations irrespective of sign rotations. Next, Zwitter structure, salt-like characteristic of solubility, melting points, atmospheric amphoteric characteristic, definitions of isoelectric point, chemical properties, general reactions due to amino carbolic groups, lactams from gamma and delta amino acids by heating, peptide bond, amide linkages and structures and nomenclature of peptides and proteins. Next, 16th topic is mass spectrometry. 16th topic is mass spectrometry, basic principles, molecule, ion, parent ion, fragment ion, daughter ion. This is theory. There is also theory, formation of parents ion, representation of mass spectrum, identification of parent ion. Parent ion means M+1, M+2. Base peaks, reaction relative of abundance 100%. Next, determination of molecular formula, mass spectra of ethyl benzene, acetophenone, N-butyl amine and 1 propanol. Next, physical chemistry. These 3 topics is there. First topic is inorganic chemistry, second one is organic chemistry, third one is physical chemistry. Next, the physical chemistry in first one is gaseous state, next second one is liquid state, third one solid state, fourth one solutions, fifth one colloids and surface chemistry, sixth one phase rules. Sixth one is phase rules. Next, seventh one is dilute solutions. Seventh one is dilute solutions. Next, eighth topic electrochemistry. Eighth topic is electrochemistry and ninth topic is chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics. 10th one is photochemistry. 10th one is photochemistry. 11th one is thermodynamics. 11th one is thermodynamics. 11th one. Next, general chemistry. Fourth topic వచ్చేసి general chemistry. Inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, physical chemistry and general chemistry. General chemistry main topics is atomic structure and element quantum mechanisms. Second one is chemical bonding. Third one is stereochemistry of carbon components. Fourth topic is general principles of inorganic qualitatives of analysis. Next, molecular symmetry. Sixth one is theory of quantitative analysis. Seventh one, evolution of analytical data. Next, eighth one is introductory treatment 2. Introductory treatment 2. This is the first subtopic is pericyclic reaction, concerted reaction. Next, molecular orbitals, symmetry properties, HM, HOMO. Next, LUMO, thermal and photochemical pericyclic reaction. Next, types of pericyclics and reactions, electrocyclic, cycloaddition and sigmatrophic reactions. One examples each. These are all introductory treatment 2. These are all subtopics in introductory treatment. B subtopic is B, synthetic strategies, terminology. Next, disconnections, synthons, synthetic equivalents. Next, functional group, interconvention. Next, linear, convergent and combination synthesis. And next, target molecules. Next one, retrosynthesis of following molecules. First one is acetophenone, second one is cyclohexane, third one is phenyl ethyl bromide. Next, C topic వచ్చేసి asymmetric chiral synthesis definitions, asymmetric synthesis. Next, enantiometric excesses, distereometric excess. Next, stereospecific reactions. Stereospecific reaction. Next, definitions. Again, examples: dehallucination of 1,2. Dehallucination of 1,2 dibromides. Next, stereo selective reaction. Next, definitions with examples: acids catalyzes dehydration of 1-phenyl propanol. 1-phenyl propanol. This is the total chemistry syllabus. Chemistry is one of the C. More syllabus is there. First of all, first topic vachesi inorganic chemistry, after then organic chemistry, after then physical chemistry. Fourth one is general chemistry. 4 chemistries, 4 main topics and subtopics also is there. First one is organic chemistry. Okay friends, thank you everyone. This is the total PG syllabus, PG chemistry syllabus. Thank you everyone.